the TickTime Digital Timer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the TickTime Digital Timer. This timer can be used for multiple purposes: in the kitchen, studying, working out, presentation, or just for taking a break. I will go over specs, features, and show it in use. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a micro USB cable for charging. The timer comes in at 45 by 42 by 48 millimeters and weighs in at 58 grams. It has button controls, 500 milliamp hour lithium battery, micro USB for charging. It takes 3 hours to fully charge and it will last up to 10 hours. The materials are ABS with electroplating. The timer is small in size and it fits in the palm of your hands and very portable. On the front, you have the micro USB charge port and the button controls along with the display. The back is magnetic so you can have versatility in mounting. Turning on the timer, you can just hold down any of the buttons, and to turn it off, just hold both of them down for a few seconds. The top of the timer has the various durations for the timer: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30, 25, and 15. To activate, just lay the timer horizontal with the desired time on the top. It will then begin to count down. And to stop the timer, just place it vertical. If you want a custom value for the timer, you can adjust the seconds using the right button and the minutes using the left button. The adjustment for the alarm volume is also using the left and right button to increase or decrease. Once you have your time selected, just lay it horizontal to start. And this is how the alarm sounds when the timer has completed its countdown. So there you have it, the TickTime Digital Timer, which can be used for multiple purposes. It's compact and very easy to use. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.